Hey, this is the solution. Today we'll discuss the Ansible another question. It is called board. Board is a very important topic for our RFC exam. Here is a have 3 or 4 question here. You have must be follow this video. I have solved 2 or 3 videos this board topics. Let's go. This is my silent solution. Here is Linux cloud related video. You can see and visit and subscribe my channel. Let's go. First of all, let's go. What is a vault? Vault is a feature of the held the encrypted confidential information without compromise security. Actually, vault using our play and is encrypted and our playbook protected. Where is the vault is a feature Ansible allow to keep the sensitive data such as password or key and encrypted file rather than plain text on playbooks or roles. Let's go. Here is many definition here. Just we're simple-minded. Vault is our protected our playbooks and encrypted our playbook. Let's go. First of all, we are go to our terminal. This is our. Let's go. First of all, we create one secret file. Let's go. This is name is secret game. Secret. Our password is here. For an example, this password have given. That's 10 just weird create. Accept. Let's go. Give me another. This first is where create secret file. There is have our password secret. This our password. Let's go. Now where create vault. How to create vault? Ansible vault created. This mention your examiner which is locker.yml. This file it is wrong idea. No, just now password file secret text. We are now created our vault. Yeah, just where here is best. Yeah. Now we are check playbook ls cat locker. Yeah, our passwords already encrypted. We are not see our playbook how to write here. Let's go. We are how to see this password. Here is just view tableau. Sorry. And it is spelling mistake. Yeah, our playbook here is right. We are how to edit this. Just edit. Now we're insert and edit our playbook. This question is very simple. You can see and deploy this your system. Thanks for watching.